Hello everyone, we are Team 12. Our project is smart card using multiple bank accounts. This is Vasant Kumar and this is my team.
I am Aditya Kirti.
Myself Naveen Kumar.
Myself Venkat.
My name is D. Suraj.
Myself Kalyan.
Abstract of our project is, it is designed to access multiple accounts using a single card, a convenient and easy to use system. The system uses OTP authentication in enhanced security. When the user swipes ATM card on the RFID reader, LCD displays the number of bank accounts registered on mobile number and to run the various banking applications from the user various accounts. If the password recognized correct, the green LED will glow. In the OTP will run, the red LED will glow. In the OTP will send to the registered mobile number through GSM module.
The need statement of this project is an automated teller machine ATM or a cash machine is an electronic device that allows a bank's customer to make withdrawal and check their account's balances without a need of woman or woman teller. Many ATMs allow people to deposit the cash or checks, transfer of money between their bank accounts, and top up their mobile phones, prepaid even by post age stamps. In most modern ATMs, the customer identifies himself or herself and by inserting a plastic card with a magnetic chip or a plastic smart card with a chip contains his account number.
These are the existing solution of our project. A user authenticates himself at him latest ATM by inserting a card chip card containing a card identification number which is called SIN and other data. The 4-digit personal identification number which is PIN, we used to call PIN. That customer are used to access ATMs and complete transaction servers as the primary authentication and secondary authentication. There is a limitation in the transaction for the 4-digit debit card and other bank customers in using the ATM of some other bank crossing the limit and they have to pay the transaction fee.
Proposed solution for this project is the inbuilt smart ATM card allows to manage multiple bank accounts with one card instead of requiring different card for each bank account. When the user swipe the smart card to the ATM, the server requests for the OTP. After selecting the bank, the OTP is sent to the corresponding mobile number through a network and links it with the bank server as in the database and the user able to complete the transaction.
The components used in our project are Arduino Nano, GSM module, RFID reader, keypad, LCD display, red and green LED and a buzzer. Arduino Nano is the heart of our project. It works as the microcontroller. We give input through the keypad and the output will be displayed on the LCD display. We scan using the RFID reader and the output will be displayed on the LCD.
So the advantage of this project is a single ATM card provides more convenience of using multiple bank transactions and higher security based on OTP and lower power requirement for this project and lower operational cost of system and provide high performance and efficiency, and these are advantages for this project. From this project we conclude that users can manage many accounts of different banks in the project with one smart card. This simplifies the management of multiple ATM cards and their associated passwords. Projects OTP provides a more practical means of user identification while maintaining sufficiently high level of ATM system security. Security elements have been significantly upgraded, make over identification more stable and reliable. The whole system is basically embedded system technology, so it is safe to use and reliable and easy to use. Basically it's more encrypted, so as a result the like of fraud of ATMs will decrease in the future. So this is the conclusion. So thanks for watching. Thank you.
This is our project, smart card using multiple bank accounts. This is an RFID card and when we scan that using the RFID reader, the LCD display will show our batch number and we should choose our bank account. Here our options are SBI, ICICI and Axis Bank. We should choose from it. And an OTP will be sent to our user's mobile number. (2162) is the OTP. And and when we enter the OTP, the transaction will be successful. And if we enter the wrong OTP, the buzzer will be sound and the alarm will be. So when we enter the wrong OTP, in this way the buzzer will be sound and it will alert the people around them.